All right, here's a completely different type of alert called Google Alerts, and I'm going to show you how to set that up in a second. But now that you've got a hot product, you've identified a hot product, maybe through doing some reverse engineering or some spying on power sellers, you can now set up Google Alerts for that product name so that anytime that product comes up on Google or on the internet, Google will send you an alert and you can go check it out. Sometimes these Google Alerts will send you to an e-commerce website or a wholesaler's website where you can buy that product at an incredible bargain. Other times it'll send you to a forum or a message board or some type of community page where people are selling that item, maybe sometimes at a discount. So to do a Google alert, just go to google.com/alerts. Enter the keyword phrase that you want Google to alert you to, and then you'll begin to receive alerts as often as daily every time that item is found on the internet by Google. Basically, every time the Google search engine indexes a page that has your keyword in it, you'll get an alert right into your email. Here's what it looks like when you go to google.com/alerts. You type in your search query right here. So in this case, I typed in Insanity 13 DVD in quotation marks. Okay. Then you click the button here and you can choose every type of result or just news results or just blogs or just videos, etc. I chose everything. And then here it says how often. I typed as it happens, not type, but I chose as it happens. And then how many. I chose all results, not just the most important results. And then you put in your email address right here and click create alert. And it's that simple. So now, and by the way, over here is an example of some of the things that came up immediately for that search phrase. So as you can see, you're going to find different types of websites that are actually selling that product, and sometimes you can get amazing deals just from those websites. So that's how you set up a Google alert, and it's a really cool hack once you've got a hot product that you know you want to search for and you know you want Google to help you find it. Now, another place that you may not have thought of looking for that particular product, the product that you've researched, the product that you've reverse engineered, is on eBay Classifieds. eBay Classifieds is very similar to Craigslist, except there's a lot less traffic on eBay Classifieds than there is on Craigslist. And that's good if you're a buyer, because if you're a buyer, you want to be able to find these products on less trafficked websites. So basically just go to ebayclassifieds.com, as you can see here, and search for your item using their search tool. And keep in mind that eBay Classifieds is a different website than the main ebay.com site. So you're going to find different things here, and you're also going to find things local to you. You can click here and choose the area that you're in. Sometimes it'll default the area to where you are based on your account information. So you want to be definitely looking in your local area for that product as well.